Show me the bubs. Show me the bagni. Oh my god. Are you virgin? Are you virgin? Oh my god, man. I used to see these comments. People make joke of it that some kind of Indians do ask like that, they talk like that. It was quite funny for me to listen to that. And wow, man, stop asking these questions. Never ask a girl about is she a virgin. It's so disgusting, man. It's like if somebody asks you, do you smell your own farts? Do you look your shit if you when you do your shit? You look at it. It's disgusting. Don't ask such questions. And why? I'm gonna tell you. And why it doesn't matter? Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna explain you. See, divorces are happening everywhere. Bill Gates got divorced. Elon Musk got divorced. They have everything. They have vast amount of money, man. They could buy the costliest psychologist and they could literally do anything. And still they got divorced. Why is that? So several things are not under their own control. You see, we are living our life and karma has a huge part in it. If you have done some fuck up in your life, if you have messed up with somebody, if you have maintained wrong astral ties through the sexual connection or through any other way, it's gonna stick to you. It's gonna haunt you, it's gonna pull you back, it's gonna have its negative consequences. So you gotta fix that. You gotta start the celibacy and semen retention part to fix those things. It's just like a video game has a save point. You can go back to that save point. Like you play GTA Vice City or GTA San Andreas, any game you play, you would have played in the past. There's a save point. You can reload the game from that. In your life, you do not have a safe, secure point to go back. You would want that. If you mess up and you fuck up in your life, you would want to go back to that stage and start again. Won't it be nice? Let's suppose you have had a fight with your girlfriend. You had a fight with your boyfriend. You want to undo that thing, na? That doesn't happen in your real life. See, there is no such documentation. There is no training. There is no material available on the internet for marriage. How to lead a successful marriage? What are the steps to take care of? There are documentation of little shit projects. You make work and we make thousands of PPTs and documentations for little fuck up projects, but we have made no documentation, nothing for how to lead a successful marriage, which should actually be workable, not just theory, not just a book written by an author who has a successful marriage. We just found a workable theory. We read this and we do this. Like a process documentation. We read and we do. It should not be theoretical, it should be practical. We just don't have it. And government knows about it. But then it will lead people to choose healthy partners, and that will fuck it up. That will result in people not getting married, and it's going to be a big blowout. See, government knows this. Just like a police knows who did the crime, where is the thief, our government knows everything about us. Never ever think that you can do some VPN shit and they don't know about it. No. They have all the data, they know everything about it. Always keep this in your mind. So, how to find an ideal match? In Indian customs, there is a simple theory of arranged marriage, and they check the horoscopes, they match it. Not the horoscopes, they check the date of birth and the name and they match it, and from that, the kundali is being created, and in the arranged marriage, it's getting married. People get married. It works and it does not work. There is no 100% proof for that. I would say there could be a future solution where people could eventually find right partners, and it will result. Just like I'm a Gen AI engineer, so I just thought that what if we match the horoscope? It should have the model should have an input data of race, genetic info, blood test, brain test, a brain scan. Fucking brain scan can tell you what the fuck you are, what kind of psychopathy you are having, what kind of disorder you are having. If imagine all that data being fed to a model just to produce a result of percentage of match, it's a good idea. Could be done. It could be done, it will be done in future, and I don't want to do that. Why would I do that? Who wants money? So, first thing is that virginity has nothing to do with it. Yeah, I know you have seen those videos where they will say that girl has to be virgin. No. It's got nothing to do with that. I have seen that I don't want to say that. The fact is got nothing to do with that. The thing is that you have to find a mentally healthy partner. And even if you are not a mentally healthy person, you will also find a partner who is not mentally healthy person. See, everybody is built for somebody. I do accept and agree to that fact. So, if you are a mentally healthy person, you should look for the type of girl who is calm, who is divine. If you are a person who does semen retention, who is not engaged in any sexual activity, who is eating food in moderation, in healthy, nice food, sattvic food or nice food, you would be able to maintain a connection with one or two types of females, or three types of females, and number of females. See, I've been till 2 levels, so if you cross the second level, do let me know as well. So first level is finding out such kind of females. They will be calm, they will be divine, they will look like the mother of your child. Not your mother. Don't fucking pull in your fantasies here, you shit guy. She will look like the mother of your child. She will exuberate those in her nature. See, when you are meeting somebody, we don't talk and we still connect with that person. When two neurons are talking, they do not connect. It's that little synapse gap between those two neurons through which they connect. Same way when we are talking to somebody or we just have seen, our auras talk to them. So once you find out such person, you will get to know it. On semen retention, when you are against, your body will be fluid, full man, you will find the person. Second thing is to talk to the person. I have reached the second stage. Now while you are in second stage, there should be nothing sexual at all. There will be a stage where the urges will develop in the both sides, and that's a test. That's a final test. That if you maintain your urges, if you still go through that stage only through talking, only through love, which is organic, nothing about physical, it's gonna lead to a stage where you will develop such a strong understanding that food and sex will be enjoyed in an organic way. I have yet to reach that stage. It's the third stage. So first is to identify. How are you going to see? If you are engaged in sexual activity, if you are engaged in, you will not be able to see. Your eyes will not be able to see. Why in olden times, the brahmacharis, the brahmins were asked to do yagyas. They were pure celibates at that time. I'm not being against any religion. My point is simple, that they were celibate. Now it's a different culture. Now I don't think anybody would be like that. But those mantras which were being performed by those guys who did semen retention and prayers to God, it had the effect, man. There are still occult practices which are being performed, and celibacy is a part of that. So that's my point. Once you are in that celibate zone, you will find that person, you would be able to talk to that person. I'm still yet to figure out the third stage. But if you follow this, you will be able to reach to that girl. If you are mentally healthy, you will find that mentally healthy girl. If you are not mentally healthy, you will become mentally healthy and you will find that person. Same with the boys as well. So yeah, reach out and find that calm girl. Yep.